Well, different people have a different idea about this picture. I have my own idea. I would like to say that what can I see on this picture? This picture mainly provide that the accommodating time to in the different regions of Britain 2014. Furthermore, to London to east of England to southeast east of the Humber to west Midland and northwest east Midland and also the northeast southeast. The highest percentage is the 120 and 180 and also the lowest percentage the 60 40 20. In conclude, we can see there are different types of color like blue, yellow, red, purple, and also the black, orange, red.